Okay, Paul again from EMD Automotive. Just want to show you, I just finished installing the brand new water pump. There's the water pump there. I can only clean the front, I can't clean the back. I've got to take it down there when I finish. I'll take it down to the actual wash bay, just down the road. It's pretty good, they got degreaser and whatever you need, and you just degrease the engine down there, it's safe. Because there's not allowed in Australia, you're not allowed to degrease the engine in the workshop. You've got to get a permit just to do that. So I've got to actually take it down to the wash bay area, car washing area, but they've got a special degreasing bay just for engine only, so the oil can go to the bottom and they can capture it. Alright, so this is all done, looking good. I've pressure tested the system up to about maybe 16 psi. If there's a leak, that will just go straight down. As you're looking at it, that's been on 16 for about 5 minutes now. Usually when you have a leak in the system, 5 minutes is a long time for the actual needle to drop down to zero, or drop down. You can see it dropping down, so you can actually pressurize the system like that. You buy this tool anywhere on eBay, or from Q7s and Porsche, they share the same coolant bottle. Even VW Touareg, same stuff, just different software to run the engine. Still holding, I'm happy with that for now. So usually when I do my final evacuation, I've got to put a special bleeding tool I have to suck all the air out and then force the coolant in using vacuum. It's the best way to do it. And then when you do that test, when you do the evacuation to remove the air with that actual vacuum tool, that's when you actually see if there's any leak anywhere else in the system. A very, very minute or small leak, the actual that test, the vacuum filling tool, vacuum refilling, the needle will just start fluctuating like that. It will never stand still, and then you see that means it's a very slow leak somewhere. But that's later on. But for now, it's holding pressure, and the water pump's good. Before, when I done that, before the car came in, pressure tested, and you can see the actual coolant flowing out on the top here. Alright then, I'll wait another 5-10 minutes and then I'll start. I want to take the belt out anyway and clean it, because I have removed the actual power steering hose here from top. It goes to the bottom on the side here, and gave it to the customer. He's going to take it to a hydraulic shop to get it repaired. If you have an Audi Q7, that's a common problem for hydraulic leaks. The reason why, because they got the hydraulic hose right next to the exhaust. It's basically right next to the exhaust. And over time, the heat kills the rubber, and then pretty much just start leaking. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.